Storm Team 29 forecast.
We still had some blustery wind to contend with, plus a cold start this morning, but a beautiful sunrise captured by Warren Fault as the sun was coming up over the Blue Ridge at his location in Jolly View in Augusta County. 25 this morning. Currently in the Shenandoah Valley, we have temperatures that are in the 40s. There's a shot from Elsie of the beautiful forsythia in bloom, and as we know, many things well along by several weeks because of the mild winter. 53 currently at the airport, touched 54 for a high today. Still a breeze out of the northwest, a very dry air mass, and as the wind settles down tonight, it could be several degrees colder than what we awoke to this morning. 47 is the current number at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, touching 49 for an afternoon high. Some other readings, we have 51 in Louisa, same in Palmyra, 49 in Lovingston, 50 there in Madison, and some middle to upper 40s from Harrisonburg to Stanton to Waynesboro at this hour. Again, those winds are still out of the northwest, but the wind speeds are starting to come down now. The combination of a big area of low pressure, the nor'easter, moving farther away, and high pressure building toward the region will relax the wind here as we head into tomorrow morning. This is the visible satellite picture. We had a lot of sunshine today, so you don't see a whole lot of cloudiness, but you do see a little bit of the snow from the satellite picture across portions of eastern West Virginia. This was a good snow event for areas like Canaan Valley, Snowshoe, Winter Place over the last couple of days with the upslope wind from the weather systems. Temperatures here for the overnight then, generally in the upper 20s across much of central Virginia, some low and middle 20s in the Shenandoah Valley, and the wind will be much lighter by morning. And then a nice rise in the numbers here for Thursday with temperatures peaking out in the low and mid 60s. Again, quite pleasant. Now the winds will shift out of the southwest by afternoon as high pressure begins to shift offshore, but that's just the leading edge of some milder temperatures to finish out the week. Now Friday will start to cloud up for St. Patrick's Day, but it looks like the rain kind of holds off until late afternoon or more likely Friday evening, but we're not expecting a whole lot of rain this go around. And then cooler numbers along with gusty winds on Saturday. Right now rainfall amounts will likely fall short of well under a quarter of an inch. I know that says less than half an inch. It'll probably be less than a quarter. Some of us maybe pick up a tenth of an inch of rain, so not expecting a whole lot with that. So high pressure across the Ohio Valley builds closer to the region by morning. That big nor'easter, well, it's up across Atlantic Canada now, finally beginning to wind down, but some of the mountainous locations like the Green Mountains of Vermont picking up around 40 inches of snow. Here's the ongoing next storm system out across the Four Corners region. That's going to pull out into the plains. There'll be some severe weather across Texas and Oklahoma tomorrow. There'll be snow on the northern side of that system, and that will be working in our direction, although we're not expecting a whole lot of rain by the time it reaches us. But a cold start in the morning. Temperatures climb out of the 20s. Tomorrow afternoon, quite mild, low and mid 60s. We cloud up tomorrow night and into Friday, St. Patrick's Day, but it looks like the rain really holds off until later at the afternoon, but it'll be breezy, mild with temperatures peaking out in the 60s. Here we go for tonight. Temperatures down in the 20s, clear and cold, lighter wind. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. A mild finish to the week. Few showers Friday late afternoon and evening, and then we'll clear out here for the weekend. It will be gusty with some of the winds on Saturday, and the calendar start to spring arrives Monday afternoon.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much, Eric.
Well, UVA Health